Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to tackle the developing SQL database, creating user-defined function. The creating user-defined function module provides you with the instructions and devices to develop your hands-on skills in the following topics: working with scalar functions and using table value functions. Three exam objectives are covered in this lab. Demonstrate how to create a scalar function using transact SQL statement. Demonstrate how to create an inline table value function using a transact SQL statement. Demonstrate how to create a multi-statement table value function using transact SQL statement. So we're going to skip all that. I'm going to explain shortly. These are lab. These are the labs that we can use for doing exercises and doing some codings that is related to this topic. So I choose PLAB SQL 01, but in case of emergency that there is a problem, you can choose PLAB SQL 02. If there's both of them are problem, either reset all devices or reset your laptop or your PC. That's it. So I have to go for next. Great. Exercise 1. Working with scalar functions. A function is a database object that has a set of SQL statements. It accepts a parameter, performs an action, and returns the results. Functions can be used in constraints, computed columns, join, where clauses, and so on. The results can consist of a single value or a table depending on the type of function. The functions that returns a single value are known as scalar functions. Those functions that return a table are called table value functions. The scalar function returns a single value of the data type specified in the returns clause. You can use a scalar function when you want the function to perform calculations of a field in a table and return a single value. For example, you can use the scalar function if you want to calculate the average sales in a week, the total quantity of a product sold in a month, and so on. The syntax to create the scalar function is as follows. As you can see, this is our syntax, how to create the scalar functions. So all of it. So in next exercise, you will learn to create scalar functions. Task 1. Implement scalar function to return a single value. In this task, you will learn to create and implement a scalar function currency rate difference with three variables: start date, end date, and rate difference. The function calculates the currency rate difference between the starting rate and the ending rate of the day. The function retrieves field from the currency rate table. The function returns the currency rate difference in rate difference variable. You will also learn to invoke or call the scalar function to ensure. So step 1. Ensure you have powered on the required devices and is connected to SQL 01 or SQL 02. It's your choice. From the PLAB SQL 01 desktop, click Start. Click Microsoft SQL Server Management Studios. Let's wait for the to connect the server. Let's wait for that. Okay, connect the server dialog box appears. Server type drop-down list, click Database Engine. Okay, the server name, text box type, PLAB SQL 01. Okay, click Connect. Oh, okay, the SQL Server Management Studio windows open. In Object Explorer, click the Expand Database folder. Okay, to select database from the list of databases, click AdventureWorks DW 2016 CTP3. To create a new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. Okay, the new query pane opens. Step 6. To create a scalar function, type the following query in the new query pane. Let's type it. Oh, let's fix something. Okay. Daytime and daytime. Returns float as begin declare starting rate as float. Diba? Select cursor. Right. Alright. require FSC currency. Oops. Oops. Okay. Okay. In a given query, you create a function currency rate difference with the following three parameters: currency ID, start date, end date. The return value is of the data type float. The return variable starting rate and starting rate difference are declared. In the body of function, the currency rate difference between the start date and the end date is calculated and stored in variable rate difference. The function returns the value after calculation. To run the query, click execute or press F5. Hold on. Oops. Currency and date. Oh, no wonder. Okay. Where currency ID and date between start date and end date. Okay. Okay. I fixed it up. Don't worry. I got something in my eye. So yeah. The query ran successfully and the result says it's query. To create a new query or query pane, click new query. Okay. To call and invoke the DBO currency rate difference function, type the following query in new query pane. So select DBO currency rate difference 3 20 10 12 29, 0, 0, 10, 14, 2, 7, 0, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll check everything later on. So, in the given query, you invoke the currency rate difference function with the following value assigned to each partner. Currency ID is 3, start date is 2010-12-29, hold on, 2010, no wonder, okay, there, fix it, 2010, 12, 29, and 2014 to 27, okay. To click, to run the query, click execute or press F5, okay, query run successfully and the result is displayed. Next, exercise 2. Using table value functions. Table value function returns an entire table as result. The table value function statement has three parts which are also returns clauses. Defines the local return variable to retrieve the table returned by the function. Function body inserts records in them as available as per the conditions to open or data function. Function body. It inserts records in a return variable as per the condition specified. Return statement. It returns the resultant table as the output function. TBS can be reused in query statements. These are the follow types of table value functions that they are your, as you can see. So new advanced. Okay, so those two, the infinite, the got that. Inline TBF and multi-statement. Those are the two. Task 1. Implementing inline table value function. In this class, you will learn to create and implement inline table value function with the F product details with P product ID as the local return variable name. The body of the function selects specific records from the product table and returns the table to the P product ID. Inline table value function can return only a single record in a table format. The UDF products details function is invoked to return the required records. Table value functions are invoked or called using the from or join clauses. Step 1. Create new query, click new query. Demonstrate the use of the inline table value function. Type the following query in the query field. Okay. And function. Video product ID. Hold on. UGF product details. can you get lost? Never. Oh, I'm getting 5 times. And yeah. Okay. Given in the given query, you create a function UDF product details with the product ID as local return variable. The query selects all the fields from the product table where the product key is equal to product ID. Okay. To run the query, click F5 or execute. Hold on. Let me check. Oh, no wonder. Again, again. Oh, F5. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Let's check it with that. Okay. Okay. To create a new query for the query window, click New Query. To call or invoke the UDF product details function, type the following query in a new query pane. Okay. Step 4. To run the query, click Execute or press F5. Okay. Hmm. Okay, these are the devices you have powered in the current task. Task to work remotely in statement table value function. In this task, you will learn to create and implement multi-statement table value function, UDF currency rate difference with the start date and in the parameters. The function returns currency difference in the rate diff variable and currency rate field in the fact currency rate table between the specified start date and end date. The function calculates this currency difference and displays the results on row numbers sequentially using the row number function. The row number function numbers the output of the result starting point. To create a new query from the query ribbon, click New Query. Type the following query in the query pane. Okay. UDL. Create difference. Static. Indeed. Okay. 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 Hmm. Create difference. Create difference. Currency. Okay. Okay. We are here. Okay. Density of you. Um. FCR. Density. SCR. End of day rate. Number Given query, create an multi-state table value function. If the currency rate difference with two local variables, start date and end date. The results are retrieved in the curve rate difference table. The results set consists of currency key and rate difference. Step 2. To run the query, click execute or press F5. Yeah, let's continue. To create a new query, call or invoke the UTF currency rate difference function with the start date and end date parameters that the following queries will print. Select all UTF currency rate difference. 20, 13, 12, 11, 2015, 12, 11. Okay, to run the query, click execute, press F5. Okay, I did channel this, but that's all I can do. And that's all. You covered the following activities in this module, working with scalar functions and using table value functions. So that's all the video that we have, that I have, and I hope you learned something. So also sorry about the error. I don't know what did I went wrong. I did check everything, but in the end, it's still an error. So thank you guys for watching, and all of you, see you guys next